Hi YouTube, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I want to discuss if, and else conditionals, as well as switch case statements in the Dart programming language. So let's get started and we'll create our main function. So I'm going to type void main, and then we'll have the curly braces there. And let's have an if, else conditional based off of an age. So we'll create a variable called age. We'll initially set it to 36 and we'll change it as we go. So I'm going to say if age is greater than or equal to. Now you'll see my text editor, I have Fura code here. It just gives me this font ligature, but that's a right arrow bracket, then equals sign. Okay. If that is greater than or equal to 21, well, we could print something like you may enter the bar. Okay. All right, so let's just test this out. So we'll test it out with 36. So I'm going to run Dart, and then what did I call this file? I called it Dart Conditionals, Dart-conditionals.dart. Okay, so you may enter the bar. No surprise at 36. I'll show you it works at 21. So let's run it. You may enter the bar. If I change it to 20, and then I run it, I get nothing. All right, so maybe we want to have a condition if they're less than 21. So I could just do else. So I could say else, something like you may not enter the bar, hit the road, bub. Okay, something like that. All right, so let's try it now. And we have you may not enter the bar, hit the road, bub. But maybe I want to have a condition for people older than 18 but less than 21. Well, I could do an else if here. So I could change this from else to else if, and then I could give a condition with the else if. So I'll give a condition. Let's say age is greater than or equal to 18. Now, if they are 21 or higher, they're never going to hit this condition. They're just going to hit the first condition, execute it, and skip the rest. But if they're less than 21, but older than or equal to 18, they're going to hit this condition. So we're going to print something like, you may go to war, or you may join the army. Let's do that. You may join the army, but you may not enter the bar. Okay? And then finally, we'll have an else, and that's for people under 18. Let's print, you are a minor, hit the road, bub. Okay. All right. So now let's run this. And we get, you may join the army, but you may not enter the bar. Let's test it out with a 17-year-old. So let's do 17 for the age. And we get, you are a minor, hit the road, bub. Okay, now let's raise it up to 21, and I'll show you that it'll hit the first condition, but won't hit the second condition. You may enter the bar. Okay, cool. So that's if, and else conditionals. We can also do switch case statements. So let's do that. And let's say we switched off of a string that represented the day of the week. So let's create that. Let's create a string. We'll call it day, and I'm going to set it equal to Monday. Okay. And then we're going to switch based off the day. Okay. And then the first case we'll have is Monday. Okay. And what we'll do is we'll execute some commands. So we'll print it's the start of the week. You have to go to work. Okay. And after each of these cases, we have to break out of this. So we're going to do a break. So let's do another case. We'll do it as Tuesday. Okay. And then what we'll do is we'll print, it's still early in the week. Go to work, bub. Okay. And we'll break out of that. And then we'll do another case. We'll do Wednesday. Okay, so this works well when you have a lot of different conditions here. We're going to print it's midweek. It's midway through the work week with an exclamation point, something like that. We're adding break after each of these. Okay, so let's do a case of Thursday now. And we'll print something like, the weekend is approaching. Are you excited? Okay, we'll do a break after this one. And then we'll do another case. We'll do Friday. And we'll just print TGIF. So TGIF. Okay, we'll do a break after that. We're going to do another case. Let's do Saturday. I'm just going to print party. And then we'll break out of that. We'll do another case. Let's do Sunday. And we'll print Sunday Fun Day. And we'll break out of that. And we want to have a default here. So if we enter something that's not a valid weekday, well, let's do default. And we'll print something like, you did not enter a valid day. Okay. All right, and we'll break out of that. All right, let's save this and run this. So we should get, it's the start of the week. You have to go to work. So let's run it. It's the start of the week. You have to go to work. Let's not do every day. Let's do, but just to demonstrate a few, let's do Thursday. Okay. The weekend is approaching. Are you excited? Cool. Let's do Friday. We get TGIF. Sweet. All right, let's do Sunday. Okay. Do Sunday. We get Sunday Fun Day. Okay. And then let's make up a day. Let's do Wednesday. That's a made up day. And we get, you did not enter a valid day. Okay, so that's how you do a switch case in the Dart programming language. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, could you give it a like and subscribe to the channel? Thanks for watching.